We are here in the Enclave Alabang along the Anghari here in Las Piñas City to show you this modern tropical industrial. Let's begin our tour. Your sunken living space. By the way, lahat ng makita nyo furnitures and appliances are all included to the selling price. Your 10-seater dining table, it also has this mechanism na humahaba ito or nag-expand. In front, itong inyong dining area is your floor-to-ceiling Patagonia accent wall. Imagine yung workmanship in this property and ganong karami yung taong nagbuhat in each material installed. Grabe. The intricacy or the intricate design of this property, walang katumbas. Very high-end. Your downdraft food, Smeg brand. And by the way, this island counter is itong purely cemented to na polish. Imagine yung workmanship